Good morning, dear students. In previous class, we have discussed the table and its first property, that is border. Today, we will continue with the remaining table properties. The second property is cell padding and cell spacing. These are two attributes which we will use to adjust white space in our table cells. Cell padding specifies the space between the border of a table cell and its contents, or it defines the white space between the cell edge and the content of the cell. Cell spacing specifies the space between the cell, or we can say that it defines the white space between the adjacent cells. Here we see that cell padding is mainly meant for a single cell, while cell spacing can get subjected to more than one cell. Syntax is value, where value is equal to top, bottom, right, left padding in pixel percentage. Example, cell padding is equal to 5. The third table property is width and height. The height and width properties are used to set the height and width of a cell. The height and width properties do not include cell padding, border, or cell spacing. They set the height and width of the area inside the cell padding, border, and margin of the cell. Its syntax is height value and width value, where value is equal to length in pixels. Example, width is equal to 100. The fourth property of table is caption side property. It specifies the placement of a table caption. That means the caption side property puts the content of a table's caption on the specified side. Its syntax is caption side value, where value is top, bottom, left, or right. For example, caption side top. The fifth table property is empty cells. The empty cell property selects empty table cells for the purpose of specifying whether or not to display borders and backgrounds on them. In other words, it tells the browser whether or not to draw borders around a table cell or fill in the background when that cell contains no content. Its syntax is empty cell is equal to value, where value is show or hide. Students, we have discussed about table properties. I hope you have understood it and you have to read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.